Keep the toilet flange and wax or rubber seal intact with a simple routine inspection and light maintenance schedule. Start by checking for signs of movement or leaks at the base every 3 months. Press gently on the toilet bowl sides to detect wobble and look for fresh water or discoloration on the floor. Tighten the closet flange bolts by turning them a quarter turn at a time and alternating sides to avoid cracking porcelain. Use new stainless steel bolts if the old ones are corroded. Clean the floor and flange area with a mild cleaner and a soft brush to remove grime that can hide small leaks or trap moisture against the seal. If you smell sewer gas, remove the tank lid and flush to observe refill and trap action, and lift the bowl slightly to ensure the seal is seated correctly before reseating the toilet. Apply a small bead of plumber-approved silicone caulk around the base on the exterior edge, only after confirming the flange and seal are dry and the toilet is stable. This keeps surface water off the joint without preventing future service. When reinstalling, replace the seal if it is cracked, compressed, or has visible deformation. A compressed wax ring must be changed because it cannot rebound to proper thickness. Common problems include a toilet that rocks because flange bolts are loose or the flange sits below finished floor height. Fix this by tightening bolts and using a flange spacer or repair ring to raise the connection to the proper height. Another frequent issue is intermittent floor dampness caused by hairline leaks where the seal is degraded. Address that by removing and inspecting the seal and replacing it with an appropriately sized wax or rubber ring, and by ensuring the flange surface is clean and free of debris. Odor or gurgling often stems from a poor water trap seal or a cracked flange. Diagnose by checking trap water level and looking for cracks in the flange, then replace the flange if damaged and reseat a new seal, testing by flushing multiple times and observing for any change. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides practical project visibility so we can find options for flange and seal repair work quickly. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share tips and troubleshooting experiences, and where contractors can find work and homeowners can learn from real project stories.